I mean, culture is critical. It's such a big thing that I think companies starting to realize how important it is.
Oh, it's everything.
That's how you keep people, right?
And you know what turnover costs you.
Oh, yeah.
By the time you get them pre-boarded, then boarded, and then training, and you know if you're training somebody,
thank you.
You're not working at your capacity because you're spending time training somebody. So if I can stop that turnover, the guy that's at the upper level can work to his capacity.
Yeah, it's all those hidden costs that's actually significant for any business.
Sure.
And if you're smart about it, you realize the hidden costs. Right?
And believe me, I didn't learn that right away.
Exactly.
We went through a lot of people, and many of them were good people. And when you're an owner, you take ownership in that. You say it's not their fault, it's my fault. What did I not do to want them to stay here?
Absolutely, and that's really what's distinguishing the top businesses from the guys kind of doing okay but could do better. It's realizing that any mistakes, any issues that are happening down there on the shop floor, most likely, I would even say 99% of the time, it's actually not an issue of the person, the operator. It's the system issue. Something we didn't do right. We didn't help them to succeed. We didn't have the visual signals for them to succeed. We didn't have something for them to make the right decision and not make the mistake. Because people don't come here, oh, how I'm going to screw up the day, right? They're not coming here to thinking about that.
Nobody does.
But nobody does.
And we're all human.
Exactly.
And we all have our certain set of skills.
To err is human, right? That's
right.
Taiichi Ohno said it.
Yeah.
Toyota production system.
And it'll never stop. It'll always be that way. And what I like about our general manager, he's like a coach of a good team.
Yeah.
He knows the strengths and the weaknesses of his players, and he can move them around into the positions that suit their skills.
Yep.
We want to keep them. We don't want to let them go. We want to coach them to get better, but maybe that particular operation they're on is not suited for their skills.
So it's the right person, but it's the wrong seat for that person.
Yeah, that's right.
You got to find the right seat.
You read
that
book
seat
too.
On the bus. Traction. Yes, absolutely. EOS.
Yeah.
We actually have an implementer, EOS implementer in our network, SRMA network.
Yes.
You met him, Frank Saragosi.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Frank is very good.
Yeah.
Very good. One of the other things that I think all manufacturers, actually all business owners can learn from is no matter what business you go to, be observant. I go to a restaurant and I'll see how their chef line, basically they're manufacturers, starting with an empty plate and it's ending in a finished product, and everybody does their steps in between. How is that workflow? Are they a mess? Are they running around with chickens with their heads cut off? But on a busy restaurant, it's clockwork.
Yep.
They're doing it the same way.
Look at Chick-fil-A.
Yes.
Right? They're freaking quick. They got it to the second or millisecond.
Of all businesses during COVID, that one thrived better than any business that I saw during COVID. They were quick to respond, to get the drive-through out there.
Yep.
They added drive-through lines instead of that singular one. They had people out there taking orders on iPads.
Yep.
They had 3 lanes, and by the time you came around, your food was ready.
Exactly.
Unbelievable.
Their tack time was unbelievable. I mean, it is unbelievable. And they're closing on Sundays.
Yes.
And they're still the most successful fast food franchise.
Yes.
Explain that to me, right?
But
they're losing,
like,
what is it, 15% of their potential just closing one day.
So that's why the business sense that I learned from them, if they rose their prices 50 cents on every item, they would still have that line.
Yep.
So you can talk about costs and tariffs and price going up. People want quality. They want to know that it's consistency. They're going to get it the same way every single time. And that's what's made my shower door successful, because we have D3, we have consistency in glass and quality. Our people will pay more.
And delivery, right?
And delivery, on-time delivery. Time is, a lot of Naples customers, it's not so much how much, it's how soon.
How quick.
And how soon can you get it done? They're busy people. They're business owners. They'll pay more. Get it done. I don't want any problems. Get out of my hair.
Yep. Don't deliver too early. Don't even late. Deliver it on time.
When you said you're going to be there.
Do it, right.
We set up a schedule. Be there.